talk about the mitosis. So we discussed about this mitosis. Look, it is a type of cell division. There are two types of cell division. One is meiosis, second one is mitosis. Mitosis and meiosis. Cell division, what is cell division? Producing new cells. Cell division means producing new cells. And that's producing new cells can be done in two ways. One is meiosis and second one is mitosis. Now we're going to talk about this mitosis. Mitosis in Tamil we call Vilayil Pirim. Look at the definition for mitosis. The cell division that makes up the number of chromosomes same as parent cell is called mitosis. If we want to talk about, last class we discussed about this, what is this? Ploidy. And what is diploid, what is haploid, what is uh, diploid and haploid, and we discussed everything, right? Here, the cell division that makes up the number of chromosomes in the same as parent cell is called mitosis. Look, for example, there is a cell. From this cell, there are two cells are formed. When these two cells are formed here, we can call this is a parent cell, and these guys are called daughter cells. This is a parent cell. This is daughter cell. If two cells formed from these two, this cell, now it will become a parent cell, and these two guys are daughter cells. So here what is actually the mitosis? The cell division. It is a type of cell division that makes the number of chromosomes into same as parent cell. For example, if you are about one cell there, and if it's a two cell here, if the number of chromosomes in this cell is a 2, then you would have a 2 here. You will also would have 2. At the same time, if the number of chromosomes in this cell, for example, 46, this cells would have also 46. And this cells also would have 46. So what is that? Same as the parent cell. The number of chromosomes same as parent cell. That type of cell division is called mitosis. Here number of chromosomes, the number of chromosomes in daughter cells are same as parent cell. Parent cell chromosome number, daughter cells chromosome number equal. இங்க ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு, ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல். அப்படி அந்த மாதிரியான mitosis or cell division, we can call that mitosis. Third point is one. When mitosis occurs, there are two steps occurring. When cell divide, I already said when cell divides, what are the two steps occurring? Nuclear division and cytoplasm division. As we know, mitosis is one of the cell division. So, when mitosis occurs, here, nucleus divides into two nucleus, which means when mitosis occurs, nucleus divides. Very important, nucleus, not the cell. Cell will be divided. But the first step is nucleus. Divides into two nucleus. Then the cytoplasm divides into two daughter cells. I can here into two daughter cells. So when this occurring, when mitosis occurs, nucleus divides and cytoplasm divides, daughter cells divide, forms. Whatever, when mitosis occurs, nuclear division occurs, then cytoplasm divides. Next one. Here, when mitosis occurs, there are when mitosis, two identical cells are formed. What is identical cell? For example, there are one cell here, and from that cell there are two cells are formed, and from that cells there are two cells are formed, and when it forms these two cells, this is same as this parent cell, that is two identical. This is also same as this one. If I say, for example, this is 2n diploid, and if this will be also diploid, or sometimes if it's haploid, sometimes it can happen. We'll be talking about that. If it's a haploid means monoploid, it will be monoploid. If it's a triploid, it will be triploid. New daughter cells are same as the parent cell, and also the number of chromosomes. For example, 46 here. Here 46. You can have number of chromosomes here also 46. This is how it is happening. So when mitosis occurs, there are two identical cells, B2 identical. This is two, both these are identical cells are formed from parent cell. I hope you will got this one. Let's see the notes and we'll discuss later about very clearly. Right. Look now. Before any cell division, for example, if I say this is a cell, in this cell you can have nucleus. In this nucleus, there are some of the chromosomes, and these chromosomes before the cell division, whatever mitosis or meiosis, it will be present as what? Tell me. Chromosome. Tell me. Chromatin. What's this? What is this? Nets, right? It's like a net. Niramurtha valaygal. Tamil sunna niramurtha valaygal. So you can have chromatin nets before any cell division, something like, as I said earlier, mitosis or meiosis. Right. Now let's talk about how this mitosis or meiosis occurs. See the picture. I will draw the picture also. Let's see the picture. Look here. This is one of the cells. This blue color is a cytoplasm. The yellow color is a nucleus. It is in your book, but not in clearly. Look now. See this book. See this picture. Here, there are 4 chromosomes. Am I right? 4 chromosomes. This is one chromosome, another chromosome, another chromosome, another chromosome. But the thing is, these two are homologous chromosomes. Now you will confuse what is homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome means actually we discussed same type of chromosome, same size of chromosome, same genetic material present chromosome. Those are homologous chromosomes. Here one homologous chromosome and there are 2 homologous chromosomes here. If you see, before starting to the mitosis, The first step will occur, that will be DNA replication. Or we can say chromosome replication. நிறமூட்ட இரட்டிப்பு அல்லது DNA ரெட்டிப்பு. Chromosome, I can say, wait, the best DNA replication is the best term. Yeah, DNA replication is the best term. But apart, technically, that's which is replicating. Look here. This is one chromosome, and it replicates here. This is another chromosome replicate here. Another chromosome replicate here. Another chromosome replicate here. That is the problem. This is wrong picture in your book. That's why people are confusing. I have to change this picture. Remember, it will be very much tough to understand now. I took this picture from your book. How should have been given? Look, if it's replicate here, I am putting a name for this one. This is A dash, B dash. We will draw very clearly later. Look, this should have been something like this one and this one. And here also, if it's replicate here, this one and this one. If it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chromosome. Exactly 8. But either replicate. Then if it's replicate, right, other replicate. That's Either replicate Adhe madri, it will if it's replicate, you can have a type of chromosome. So now you can say it's correct. Now it's correct. Okay, fine. It's correct. Sorry, yeah, it's correct. Fine. Then when it's replicate, finally it divides. And that's called cell division. I can draw very clearly, you should understand. Look, in the final daughter cells, how many chromosomes? 4 chromosomes. Here also how many chromosomes? 4 chromosomes. Here also how many chromosomes? 4 chromosomes. What about this ploidy? It is 2n. 2n means what? 2 chromosomes here and another chromosome. 2 sets of chromosomes. How many sets of chromosomes here? 2. How many sets of chromosomes? This is one set. Periacal, chinakal, inner set. 2 sets. So we can call that 2n. So when mitosis occurs, the number of the daughter cells which is formed same as like a parent cell, right? That is the main point you must know. And also these mitosis occurs in different ways. If you see the picture, you can explain, you can understand very clearly, but I will draw and you can understand more about it. You see the 2 chromosomes. There, how many chromosomes they have taken? 4 chromosomes. Here they have taken 2 chromosomes. But how many sets? How many sets? One set irukku. One set il ethana chromosome irukku? 2 irukku. Adala idu 2n. It becomes, and finally it becomes what? 2n also. And also there are some of the chromosomes also. So remember one thing. This is mitosis. Mitosis means the daughter cells which is formed in mitosis will be same as like parent cell. And if it's a 2 diploid, even if it's a diploid, if you have a wound in your body, if you have a problem, if you have kayam or a kal, so it has to be cured. To be cured, what should have been happened? Mitosis. For example, if I take a starfish, if the starfish have a 5, what's that? Side flower madri. When this is released or will be cut, and when it lost, then it will grow again. To grow that one, what process should be occurred? This mitosis. So let's see how this mitosis occurs. That's the most important part of this mitosis. Let's see that. Look now, like in your book, I'm going to take two, wait, two chromosome, or I can take four chromosome, whatever. But I'm going to take like in your book. Let's see. Okay, now listen. This is the most important part of this chapter. Normally you can understand everything. Normally you can understand everything. But it's tough to understand. Lots of people, especially meiosis. Right? I'm drawing one cell here. I'm drawing one cell. I'm taking that cell as circle here. Right? Okay, circle. And that I'm taking the nucleus. Green color is the nucleus. In this nucleus, the chromosome which are present, that is as what? As chromatin nets. Now it's become start for mitosis. It start for what? Mitosis. Mitosis. Ready item. What would happen actually if that is, for example, if that is a human cell? If that is a human cell, how many chromosome in human cell? How many chromosome? Tell me. How many chromosome present in human cell? 46 chromosome. How many pairs? 23 pairs. Can you draw 23 pairs in a cell? You can draw. But can you explain that? It's tough. So I am taking two sets of 4 chromosomes, 2 pairs. I am going to take 2 pairs here. Okay, let's take 1 pair. Now what happened actually? What would happen actually? This chromosome will change into, this chromatin nets will change into, like we studied. Now, it will change into real shape of chromosome. Right. Now, this is nucleus in green color. How many chromosomes should I take? How many chromosomes I can take? Okay, fine. I can take 4 chromosomes. Okay, 1 chromosome here is a big one. Another one is big one. Okay, this is 2 chromosomes. I am taking another homologous chromosome. And I am taking that one is a small. How many chromosomes here? Tell me. How many chromosomes should here? Please tell. How many chromosomes here? Excuse me, can you hear me?
4.
How many chromosomes here?
4.
Chromosome, right, good. Now what is going to happen actually? These chromosomes going to replicate. It's going to replicate now. When it replicates, it's going to replicate. When it replicates, how will it become? When it replicates means it becomes 2. It becomes 2. Right, 1 chromosome here. And here this is nucleus. In this nucleus, it's gonna replicate. And I'm putting name for that one. Then you can understand clearly. And for this one, I am putting A. And this one A dash. For this one is B. I'm putting B dash. Right, this is going to replicate now. A going to replicate. So it will replicate something like this one. So I'm using a orange color. It is replicated. One chromosome here, right? It's replicated. Look, இப்படி இதே மாதிரி தான் வரும். The point is, the chromosome should come something like this. Then it will replicate. It is one chromosome, it is replicated. In this A dash going to be replicated again. Look how this replicate now. It's become like a what scissor shape. Now again this is going to be replicated. I am taking 2 chromosome only. That's why we are drawing 2. If I want to draw 23 pairs, it needs so many places. So 23. Now it is being replicated. Now what's going to happen actually? These chromosomes, look, this is the main point. Now this chromosome, right? Now this chromosome, as I said earlier, like idu madri ipo idu maarappo. Eppadi maarapodunda singa paru. If it's a chromosome here, sorry, this is cell. From this cell, it's a nucleus. Now these chromosomes will arrange something like this. This is the most important point. In your book, they have confused. When it replicates, it's one. Right, okay. Pargo, it's a big one. It's another one. And that one is blue color. This one is blue color. Now what would happen actually? This will break down and move this side. This will break down. Here break down and move this side and move this side. It is all, everything occurs in nucleus, inside nucleus. Then how it will present, how it will be present? Look, that's best. But we can't draw in meiosis. We need. Now it will. Right. Now you can see these chromosomes. Something like placed here. Sorry. Right. Now you see, you can see the chromosomes, something like, and something like, right? Okay, one chromosome, sorry, everyone. Right. Then what would happen actually now? what is going to happen? Nuclear divides. Nucleus divides. When nucleus divides, you can have now two cells here. One nucleus here. Another nucleus here. Both are same. And how many nucleus here? How many chromosomes here? Number one. Here also another one. And here small one. And it's a big one. Right. Look now. Now what happens? What is going to happen? Cytoplasm divides. Cytoplasm divides. Now, in a cell, look, in a cell, it becomes two. So I can't draw. It becomes two. And I'm drawing சின்னதாக்குறேன்னா சின்னதாக மாட்டாது பட் சின்னதாக்குறது வேற வழி இல்ல completely two. Now you can have that nucleus. That nucleus becomes, look very clearly. So I'm saying this one, that's why that's your book is wrong. The thought of normally lot of times people are confusing that one. If you see, if you Google it, you can see. It's a big one. Now it's a big one. Now, what would happen? It already replicated, no? It's already replicated. A becomes add A dash. This is A dash. Now, what would happen here? This will becomes like this. Look now. It will break it here. Breaking down. Here. I don't have space. When it breaks down, so you can see here, you take a screenshot this one now, then you can take another screenshot. Then you can take it easily. When it breaks down, here now what is happening? Here what is happening? Nucleus divides. Here what is happening? Cytoplasm divides. Here it already replicated now. So here it divides into two, split into two. So now it will become what? Something like this. Now do you see same as parent cell? Can you see this is A dash, right? This is parent cell. These are daughter cells. Daughter cells. How many? This is what ploidy. It is what? 2n, right? 2 sets of chromosomes. This is also what?
2n.
And this is also 2n. This is how it is happening. So in your book, they might be confused. They might have been confused. So especially one thing I have to say, Maka, in your examination, still they didn't ask to draw for O-level examination, especially. For O-level examination, they haven't asked to draw this one. If they ask to draw both nucleus division and cell division, you can write here also very clearly here. That would be very much helpful for you. So remember, you are going to sit A-level exam, O-level examination, not this year, next year. So till that, you have to remember this. That is the point. So please note it everything and remember, because you are going to sit the exam almost after 500 days, right? So nucleus division, if this is occurring, nucleus division. And here cellular cytoplasm division. Is cytoplasm division. Completely we can call this one what? Mitosis. This is how these cells are formed. This is how the cells are formed. Remember one thing, here from one cell, how many cells are formed? Tell me. How many cells? 2, right? From these 2, it will form how much? 2. From this 2, 1, it will form another 2. From this one, 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 it will form another 2. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 1, 2, 8, 2, 5, 6, 5, 12, 1024, something like it will go. It will create these cells 2 to the power n. If one division occurs, 2 cells will be formed. If 2 division, 4. If 3, 8. 4, 16. 5, 32. 6, 64. 7, 128. 8, 256. 9, 512. 10, 1020. Every point here. This is how one cell from a man becomes one cell from when you will study in the reproductive system. These sperm cells and the egg cells comes after the meiosis, and it will form one cell, that is 2n. That cells will becomes what? 2n become these cells. These cells, collection of cells will be called as what? Tissue. These tissue will becomes what? Different types of tissue. Different types of tissue makes what? Organs. Organs makes what? What's that? System. When system makes what? It forms organism. Right? So I hope you will got this one.